welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm about to do a haul. So I've actually had this for some time now. I bought it back in February for my birthday in March, but I just did not do the haul yet because if you're watching, I had a lot of hauls and this one kind of just kept getting pushed back. So this is a Profusion haul, and I actually used one of the items today, which is why I had to do this haul, because I'm sure there's other things in here I want to use and I just kind of forgot about. Let me stop messing with the box. I just kind of forgot about everything that I bought because it's just been sitting in the box. So I'm ready to unbox it because I do want to start using some of these things. So first things first, I want to talk about the first item that I used today, which is this eyeliner. So this is the Profusion Cosmetics Electric Bold Liner, and the color is called Trip, I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Yeah, so this one is called Trip, and I use it to line my eyes to kind of separate that cut crease area that I created, and then also on this outer portion. I really like it. It actually does dry really quick, so that's what it looks like. Very pretty. So I had to bust this open and I had to use it today, so then I was like, let me just do this haul so that I can use everything in here. And since we're on liners, I also got the Electric Bold Liner in Psych. This is like a neon orange. Ooh, okay. So I definitely want to do like an orange look, so you know I need to have this out and be prepared. I also got the Electric Bold Liner in Rage, which is this purple color. They're still sealed, so I'm having some trouble getting these open. So I just reorganized my makeup setup and like where I had everything. So I don't think I'm gonna do another makeup, well, not a makeup collection or vanity tour, not this year anyway. Maybe next year I'll redo one, but I do plan to do a palette collection pretty soon, but I kind of got to get everything unboxed. So I still have 2 more hauls to do. This is what this purple looks like. So this is kind of like an electric purple. It kind of looks pinkish purple on the camera, but yeah. Right, and then we have Electric Bold Liner in Days, which is going to be this neon pink. Yes, I want to do a palette collection, but I still have a couple palettes or a couple of unboxings or hauls to do. So I have a ColourPop haul, and then also someone told me about C Color Cosmetics. It's a palette that I bought from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, but it was in a haul, and they told me they have a website. So I went to the website and I placed an order, and I got a bunch more palettes to share with you. So here's the pink. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like that. Let me do up close so you can see them all up close. And don't mind this green line. This is from when I swatched this earlier when I was creating my eyeliner. Okay, I think I have one more. And it's this blue, and it's called Chill. So these actually don't have the color names on the bottles. So, well, on the packages. So once I throw these little boxes away, I'm not gonna know which color it is anymore. I'll just have to call it out and show you. But I had seen these in Target, and then every time I went to Target, they were sold out. And then I went online and they were sold out, and then I saw that they had restocked. So I purchased them, and then a couple of other things. This is really pretty. Okay, so the blue. Pretty. All right. So next item I have is this Profusion lip syrup. It's a sparkling lip topper, and I did not get this. Well, we'll see what it looks like, but I saw it and it looked glittery, and I like to use lip toppers on my eye. So where I put that neon green liner to kind of create that division between my cut crease and where I cut my crease, I like to use eyeliner, not eyeliner, lip liner there. So here's this color. So like these sparkly colors like this, but actually I think I would wear this on my lip. But when they have like, you know, the nice cute iridescent ones that go from like purple to blue, I don't really wear that on my lips. I wear that as a liner. So I have another lip syrup, and this one is maple. Maybe this is another one I can wear. They look like little nail polish bottles. Okay, so this one's maple. So I can wear these ones as a lip topper. I was hoping there'd be one that I could use. Let's see if I have another lip topper. Okay, no. So that was the last. I only got 2 lip toppers, these 2 colors. And now I have these Lip Mocha Soft Matte Lip Tint. The bottles are really cute. I just like the way they have, like, it says Lip Mocha. It's like a little wine bottle. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, so let's put that here. It doesn't seem like that pigmented, but that's a color. That's actually really pretty. So it matches the little wine bottle. Let's see, this one is bubbly. So this one was Cheers, y'all. That's what that's called. And then this one I'm opening up right now is called Bubbly. Okay, so Bubbly looks like it's like a mauve purpley color. Ooh. Okay. So it's this one. Nice. So that's everything I swatched so far. Okay, and then I have this Profusion Whipped Glow Mousse Highlighter. And this is called Sweet Whip. Okay. Ooh, that looks really pretty. So it looks like this. And then let's swatch it. Ooh, it's very soft. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Ooh, that might be like my new favorite highlighter. I also like to use my highlighters for my inner corner highlight there. All right, so only 2 more items in this haul. So the first thing is this Profusion Golden Nights. It's an 18 shade palette. I don't know what I was thinking when I got this, because I kind of have something similar. I think I was just ordering just to order it, or I was trying to meet the shipping requirements. One second. Okay, so I went to go get a palette that this palette reminds me of. So this is the Profusion Golden Nights palette, and then this is the, what is this, the BH Cosmetics Gilded palette. So this one, and let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12. So this one has more colors, but they kind of like have the same color story. And this actually is not my favorite palette. I just kind of have it just to have a palette that's a little bit more neutral, work friendly. So like just the yellow and the browns basically is why I bought this. Just so I have a palette to kind of do just a, you know, I don't want to say basic look, but just like a regular look, I guess. I like to normally have like a colorful look, but sometimes usually when I'm not in the mood to wear makeup, but I still have to get ready for work, I might throw on something like this from like this palette. Just something easy. So I'm actually not going to keep this. I'm not going to return it, but I'm going to put this in the drawer that I've been collecting stuff for when it's time to do a giveaway. So I'm not going to swatch it or touch it. But this palette, Love You So Brunch, I like this. Okay, so what colors are calling to me? So the colors that are calling to me are this rosé color, which is this pink glitter shade, this blue color, which is Hang Out, and I mean this green, it's Extra, and this yellow, Sunday Fun Day. So let's swatch those. Okay, so we have rosé, which is very pretty. So this is what it went on like, just kind of like a really soft shimmer. It doesn't really show up that much, so I would definitely use, I would have to cut my crease with a white base to make sure like that popped a little bit more. Let's try the blue. Okay, so there's the blue, and that's Hang Out. Okay, and then we're gonna try Sunday Fun Day, which is that yellow. So there's the yellow. Let's try to build that up. This is a shimmer shade. It's kind of chalky. That's okay because it does build up and it's building up just fine. And we're going to try Sunny Side Up Scramble. Sunny Side Up is like an orange shade. Scramble is like a yellow shade. And then I'm going to try this. It's Extra Glitter. Okay, this is, I don't know how I feel about the It's Extra Glitter shade. So let's just see here. So that's Scramble. This is Sunny Side Up. And then here's that glitter shade, which is It's Extra. Okay, I'm not really liking the glitter shade, but I mean, I didn't buy it. Well, I don't know if I probably did pick it for that green color, but I'm not disappointed. I have other glitters that will work, but I have been kind of trying to stay away from like glitter shades like this just because when it's time to get them off of my face, it's a problem and it just takes too long, too much time, and I'm scared to get it in my eyes. So we're gonna try Bellini. Bellini is a nice, ooh, look at Bellini. Oh my God. I almost didn't notice this color. So Bellini is this color right here. It's like a brown, gold, green. I don't know. But I like the way it's going on. Okay, so I'm just like kind of spreading it out so you can see it more. You see that? That's Bellini. Okay, I see myself using Bellini. All the other colors are okay. I'm probably not going to like this color either, Dessert, because this is another glitter shade and it might be like It's Extra. Let me see if when I swatch it. Oh, that actually went on my finger better than It's Extra, but let's see if it, okay, that's actually better than this It's Extra shade. So that went on a little bit better. So this is, I would say this is still a good palette. Even with that green, like that's just one shade that didn't really perform well just from the swatch, but you can make that work. And then there's so many other colors in this palette that do work. So if anything, I probably would just, I wish they would just sell a big thing of Bellini because that one's really pretty, and rosé. I kind of want to do a look and add Bellini and rosé together. Let me swatch them. Okay. So I would like do a look where I transition Bellini, rosé into Bellini. So that's what that looks like. So I put rosé here and then I swatch Bellini going down. Okay, so we're acting like we're putting it on our eyes, and basically it would look like this. So Bellini to rosé. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay. Right. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. I do already have my palettes picked out for, I guess, the next 8 videos. So you don't want to miss that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or if you just like Profusion. And then don't forget to leave a comment down below if you've tried Profusion or, you know, maybe there's another brand you like. I'm always open to sales, deals, any of that. So drop those down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.